good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video where on November 19th of 2019, finally it has happened. The 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio debut. We've been waiting on this for a while. I've been posting spy shots, teasers, and everything forever. And now we finally have official pictures of the cars. They debuted at the LA Auto Show, which we knew was going to happen this week. And you got a couple videos floating around here and there. But I'm going to show you tons of pictures inside and outside of these Giulias and Stelvios. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one because I'm excited. So here's what's new. You get your new palette of colors, all right, and they make their debut. There's 16 colors, which are divided into 4 collections. You have your competition colors, which are white and red, all right. You have your metallic colors, which is Visconti green, all right, Vesuvius gray, Stromboli gray, Silverstone gray, Volcano gray, Bassano blue, Monte Carlo blue, anodized blue, and moon white. You have your pastel colors, which are white, red alpha, black, not available on the Stelvio. And then you have your old timer, which is your Orca Junior GT, which is that gold color, and your Rosso Villo 6C, which is available mid-2020, which we have not seen yet. All right, so then you have your trim level models. The first trim level model is the Super, which is an 8.8-inch touchscreen. You have the instrument panel, which is 7-inch TFT display, automatic emergency braking, notice of lane crossing, cruise control, xenon headlights, rear parking sensors, and 18-inch alloy wheels, only for Stelvio. Then you have your TI. Your TI gets the inserts in wood and leather on the dashboard, heated seats with electric adjustment at the 8 positions in Alcantara. You also have the split rear seat, external chrome line, aluminum pedals, 20-inch alloy wheels for the Stelvio, and contrast applications like the Dark Miron, Vesuvius gray, on the side skirts, wheel arches, and rear bumpers on the Stelvio. Then you have your Sprint. Your Sprint adds to the TI, and it adds sport steering wheel with leather upholstery, 19-inch alloy wheels, Dark Miron decorative details, decorative inserts in aluminum, seats upholstered in leather and fabric, dashboard covered in leather, brake calipers painted in black, and those both are on the Stelvio with the leather and black. And then you have your Fast. That adds to the Sprint. Now with that, you get the sport seats upholstered in heated leather and 6 electric positions, carbon fiber details, 20-inch alloy wheels, and specific decoration on the rear fenders, wheel arches, and side skirts. That's on the Stelvio. Entering the car, you have the update that's immediately recognizable, all right? Because the steering wheel has been revised, you see the details, the varying layout that's different on that. You also see the Giulia center console that loses the sliding cover for the cup holders, all right? But you do have a glove compartment while housing the key and a wireless charging for the phone that are common in both models. Now, the gear level, you can see that as well. A little bit more accurate. You have the control knob for the Morelli infotainment system, which in turn has been completely renewed. Now with that, you have a standard screen being 8.8 inches, all right? So it's the largest screen all the way around, and it's a touch screen with that interface with the multimedia system, and it has been revolutionized and organized into tabs, which can be displayed simultaneously and arranged at will by dragging them directly on the display or moving them with the controller. You also have the space available on the screen, which is more developed in length and height, and it has better been exploited by moving the bar with the information from the base to the left side. For example, the display on a navigator map is wider. Now, the dimensions of the rear view images have not changed, unfortunately, so you still get that same rear view camera that a lot of people didn't like too much. But the system is connected. You have various services that are available included in the price. Now with this, it's including the vehicle location, Wi-Fi hotspot, weather forecast, real-time traffic, and so on. It also improved the screen between the speedometer and a tachometer. Now with that, you have a standard 7-inch version of the infotainment system, and that display has been reorganized. Also, you have to accommodate the new level 2 assisted driving function. Now you have a new traffic jam and highway assist, and it has 2 operating modes. Okay, so the first one is active between 0 and 60 kilometers if the lane marking lines are clearly visible from the camera. So by operating the device, it means that the button on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, the car is able to follow the course of the road and traffic, braking to a stop and restarting. But as required by the code, the driver must remain responsible for driving and keep his or her hands on the steering wheel. The presence of the sensors on the crown make it easier to signal the presence of the driver. Just touch the steering wheel. You don't have to move it slightly or anything. It's just like that. You also have the high assist that extends these functions up to 145 kilometers per hour. All that leads to what we're seeing today in front of us. I am very pleased with this mid-cycle refresh because it's not a complete refresh. When they do a complete refresh, I mean, they're probably going to blow us out of the water. But Alfa Romeo has really tackled a lot of customer complaints, but there's still some more things to tackle in the long run. Right now, I think they did a great job, and they needed to build that buzz with the canceling of the GTV and 8C. I think this is going to keep everybody happy for quite a while. So with that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio lineup. Definitely let me know what you think about the current lineup, things that you like and dislike. I know a lot of people are going to dislike that the rear backup camera is the same after all of that changing of the infotainment and the screen and everything, that you don't get an upgraded rear backup camera. That would probably be my biggest gripe, and I know some are going to agree with me there. But not all negativity. Let's talk about constructive criticism, things that we think they could have changed, things that we think that they did very well. So let me know down in the comments below. I want to hear from you guys. If you did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get the video up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulias and Stelvios. Make sure you guys check the links down below to help support your boy. I do have a one-time donation link to my PayPal in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also check out my Patreon subscription as well, or my social media. Just see everything that I'm posting on there. I can't make it over to YouTube, stuff like this that I've posted before it actually came out. And with that said, make sure you check out the Ron's Rise merch. I have the t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, hats. I'm probably going to be doing a Cyber Monday sale too for you guys, so make sure you look out for that. Now with that said, subscribe for more Ron's Rise videos. Click that notification bell. Guys, we will see you in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.